And here we're gonna do railing everywhere on both sides, so that if you want, you can stay here as well. This is gonna be like the terrace, and it's gonna be what, 100 feet long by 10 feet wide, so 1,000 square feet of terrace in the shop.
Wow.
Right?
That's pretty much it. My levels of patience are the smallest detail in every design. From a design perspective, yes, it can work with their idea, but from a construction perspective, there's a lot of modifications that need to be made to be able to translate that into an actual deliverable project and product, right?
One thing that we almost never do, you don't take the designer plans from a designer outside of SOLLe Solutions and try to bring them into drafting, because most likely they haven't respected all the parameters that we have in drafting that reflect the manufacturing limitations that we have, or not even limitations, the parameters that we use for manufacturing. So, yeah, to answer your question, they can ask the drafting how they should address a situation, but most of the time they don't have to, just because they do have the necessary experience to answer that question by themselves.
Because it has to be adapted to the space, it has to be adapted to the construction parameters, it has to be adapted to the materials, because a lot of times they come with an inspiration photo, it's like, I want this, but to fit in my space, and you notice that there's a discrepancy in the photo that we're being presented on has a 10-foot ceiling, the house has an 8-foot ceiling, so you have to play with the proportions. Then the photo that they have is in a certain kind of material and finish, but they want another one, so we need to be able to develop that in that specific material with the same detailing that they want. So it's always a collaborative effort. Dollhouse. This is going to be still a mystery. There's a lot of scenarios, but probably in all fairness, there's going to be a bathroom on the ground floor and the lockers, and upstairs is going to be a lunchroom, like a little lounge employee sort of room.